This video demonstrates the quotation under invoice.
A quotation is a formal document provided by a seller to a potential buyer, presenting the prices, terms, and conditions for the sale of goods or services. To provide a quotation to a buyer, click on Add New Quotation.
Enter the customer's name. Attach relevant documents. Enter item's barcode or select it from the drop-down menu. Enter quantity, unit, rate, discount percentage, and VAT percentage. Click Add. Enter the terms. Click Save to save the quotation. That's all for this video. Thank you.